Yes, me there again, my people, once more with certain things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. Yeah, let's see if we can get some form of understanding about certain things that happen, viewers and subscribers. Oh, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Alright? First things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened after a container that was being towed by a trailer truck overturned at a place that is known as Flatbridge, that's within the parish of St. Catherine, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, some people might say that a container from a trailer truck overturned at Flatbridge, St. Catherine, Jamaica. I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly when the incident happened, viewers and subscribers. And I tried to get information if there was any fatality and if there was any injury. However, information about the situation are somewhat sketchy. I did not even get any confirmed information as to exactly how the incident happened. But one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can also let me know what you think. You can also tell me how you think an incident like this happened, viewers and subscribers, alright? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Alright, TikTok, watch what go on now. Guess where this is? Not too talky, another one here, you know.
Flatbridge.
Idiots, you know. Yeah, much up there in care to come to this.
Jump on!
Tell your face, you good. Happening right now at Flatbridge, guys. So if you have a big vehicle, I advise you to take the toll or some other route.
Well, my people, I got the understanding that the incident caused a traffic pile-up. See? And it's when it comes on to that place that is known as the Gorge and the Flatbridge. You see, because the river run beside the road and under the bridge, viewers and subscribers, I have a theory that moisture sometimes develop on the road and also the bridge. Someone said this to everyone who use the Gorge and the Flatbridge. Drive carefully. Drive safely. You see me I say? Yeah, man, do so. Always drive to protect yourself and others on the road. And I'm talking to every motorist out there, alright? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Now, here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I want you to listen carefully to some things that a person said in this video. Now, in my point of view, the person who you can hear talking in this video that I'm about to present to you talked about traffic tickets. See? Anyways, I think it would be best if you look and listen to this video for yourself. Observe.
Voice. So from we get honesty from the 2019. See there, if we get honesty 2019, when I get back honesty at 3 years that now. You understand? Yeah, 5 beans ticket this. If we get ticket 2019, honesty 2019. You understand? See there, see there. Yeah. In December. You understand? See my ticket them in from honesty, you know. I'm an honesty ticket them in charge. Yeah man, see them all of them I'm an honesty ticket. All of them. Receipt there. Joke thing. Yeah man, see it man. Sure bro man. I hear that you not even know that. How much money I spend on ticket? How much money?
Honesty is the best policy. Yeah man, honesty is the best policy. Amnesty. My people, hold on. I saw something about that video there. But, you know, from the other day, I hear some things being said on social media when it comes on to taxi operators within the country of Jamaica and police within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, me hear some things being said about motorists and police within the country of Jamaica. Me also hear about some form of amnesty when it comes on to tickets. But when it comes on to that, I'm not sure what is going to happen or what might have happened. So me and some people, so if me get some confirmed information as to what might happen, me will let you know. Now when it comes down to that video viewers and subscribers, and a real, wow, traffic tickets. I tell you, you know people, me hear the things them when you say, quite a number of things that the person saying in that video there. I'm just think about the money. Traffic tickets. Let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, so you already see how this video started off, viewers and subscribers. So I'm just going to keep it that way throughout the whole of this video. Alright, but before I present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, a person talk about police, and in the video you can hear when the person mentioned the word ticket. Now my people, want to listen carefully to some things that the person said in this video, and you can also let me know what you think. Now please bear in mind that you can hear quite a number of harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Watch out. Don't look at dirty stinking police no like when people are right on a strike because them work with the government and can't achieve nothing. At 9 to 5 I work and I achieve something. Just give me a ticket for what? Eh? Because what? My car look good. My car look good. My car clean. Eh? Some little policeman if you go look at life and money do you want? I'm not work on mine stinking police. Them mother all and Holness. And do better in a country. Go clean up. Get labor rights them man. You know, set up.
Well, what can I say about that vocabulary, viewers and subscribers? In my point of view still, based on some things I hear the person say in the video, it seems as if the person upset. In the video, you hear the person mention the word ticket, and you hear certain things that the person said in the video, viewers and subscribers. I don't think I really and truly need to explain no more because the video itself explains certain things for itself, don't? And I really do. Quite a number of language had been used in that one. Yeah, so tell me what you think about that video, my people. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a female died following a two motor vehicle collision that happened along a road in St. James, Jamaica on the 13th of November, the year 2022. It is said that on Sunday, two coaster buses crashed with each other, viewers and subscribers. According to information that I got, it is said that the female who died goes by the name of Andrea Barnett Ferguson, and it is said that she's in her 50s. According to reports, it is said that a coaster bus was traveling along a road in the parish when the driver for that motor vehicle somehow lost control of the motor vehicle. It is said that the motor vehicle then hit another motor vehicle that is said to be a coaster bus, and it is said that the coaster bus was traveling in the opposite direction. It is reported that the impact of the collision caused the death of the female, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that at least one person had been taken to hospital. Yes, so it is said that two coaster buses was involved in the crash, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that a certain amount of persons tried to help the situation by pulling the female from the wreckage, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information about the medical condition of the person who was taken to hospital. Now, my people, just days ago, a coaster bus collided with a truck and caused the death of at least two persons within the western end of Jamaica, and of viewers and subscribers. And them said that this incident where the female lost her life happened within St. James, Jamaica. See? So all them things I know make me start to wonder about certain things that some people say when it comes on to Christmas coming up and basically the holiday season, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, I want to say this to each and every motorist. Please drive safely for yourself and for others on the road. Pedestrians, use the road the safest way you can. You see me I say? Yeah. Just be safe out there, my people, because sometimes I wonder what's the rush and what's going on. You know what I mean? So please be careful out there. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.